This product made thousands of dollars online in the last 30 days. It cost only $8, and if you go to Amazon, you can find that this one sold in hundreds and thousands of pieces in the last 30 days. My software actually helped me find this kind of products and scale these products to the moon and find opportunities where actually I can find products that sold really big time. You can see the same product in a couple other variations, big time in the internet, and the average price is like $25. And when you go here, you can see that it's only $8. But in Shopify and dropshipping, in Facebook ads, as you can see here, you can sell the same product for $40 and $50 and make double five on your profit. But guys, I want to give you this list of products that are actually winning products that I find on daily basis. And before that, if you don't know me, I made over $19 million in the internet with dropshipping, and my community have a lot of people who enjoy good products and sellable products on a daily and weekly basis. So if you want this list and make a lot of money, all what you need to do is just go inside my community over here and you get access to my free tool that help you actually to make a lot of money. Let's see you inside.